Hey guys, it's Robin Nash. I am here with Chef William Turner. We are getting ready for the big game on Sunday, and everyone always wants to know what should they bring for a side, or if you're hosting, what should you cook? And the big game on February 3rd is Pork Rind Appreciation Day.
Yes, it sure
I've
is.
never even heard of Pork Rind Appreciation Day, but
they have a holiday for everything nowadays.
Give us this amazing recipe. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm a private chef here in Scottsdale, Phoenix area. I do parties of, say, 30 and under. I come in and kind of let the party go where it goes.
Why does it have to be 30 and under?
I can't really handle anything over 30. It gets a little, the food will come out cold.
You mean people need to be 30 and over?
No, 30 people.
Oh my gosh. I was like, what do you have against people over 30?
I check your IDs at the door.
Awesome. Okay, so you're personal chef for hire, perfect for a girls' night out. So how do we contact you if someone wants if we like this and we think, this is a great recipe?
Well, you can find me at chefwilliamturner.com, or you can follow me on Instagram at chefwillturner.
Okay, great. So getting ready for the big game on Sunday, which is Pork Rind Appreciation Day on February 3rd. And I'm not usually someone who's going to buy a bag of pork rinds, but apparently this is going to be spectacular.
Southern Recipe Small Batch is the lead in the market. They're just best. They do everything in small batches. Everything is fresh, gluten-free, so you have no carbs.
Okay, that's good for one of my friends for sure.
It has the good fats, and it also has some protein, so yes.
Pork rinds has good fats?
Yes, it does.
No trans fats?
That's right.
Oh, interesting. Okay, and isn't this all for Coach Mike Ditka's charity?
Yeah, Gridiron Greats.
Okay.
Assistant Fund. They're helping out with all the former greats. Some of these people aren't very well off, and they're struggling with financial assistance, medical bills, as we can imagine. And
these are former NFL players, aren't
right.
they? So they need medical assistance and families helping with all of that stuff.
Right. They come in and help any way they can, and it just is a super good support system for these guys. They need it.
That's so great that something is out there like that. And Mike Ditka, Coach Mike Ditka, wasn't he the Saints?
Yeah, he was the Saints, and
Coach,
he was also the Bears and won a Super Bowl back in
Yeah,
85.
so he must be so mad about the pass interference call.
I think we're all mad about that.
All right, so let's see what you got here. I would love to see what pork rind recipe you're going to make that's going to make me want to eat pork rinds.
Okay, well, this is just
I'm really excited.
A bean dip. You know, we're in Arizona. So what I did is I put these through a food processor. Like
pork
a little
rinds.
bullet. No, this is pinto beans.
Oh, the pinto beans.
We're just going to serve it with the pork rinds.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Okay. But you could do a lot of stuff like with this, like bread chicken or fish or something like that.
Okay.
So that's also an option. But this is the bean dip. It's pretty simple, especially for my Arizona people. We're just going to add that in.
I love pinto beans.
I do too. I love black
I'll
beans also.
try
You can
it.
do this with black beans, so easy.
Okay.
And you can make this recipe your own. This is just one way. So what we're going to do is, this is a little pico that I had earlier. I'm adding that in. That's going to have a lot of my spices and my seasoning. I like a little more onion in mine.
Me too.
Little green chilies.
It's so much better when someone else organizes it for you.
Right. And then I'm going to add a little extra pinch of garlic.
Okay.
A little fresh
So
cilantro.
this is a no-bake recipe. You can just do it right on the counter.
And then what we're going to do is we're just going to stir this around. Make sure you get it incorporated really good. That's the trick. And then I would let this sit for maybe an hour in the refrigerator.
I can already smell the garlic.
Yes. And that's how we do it. So then we would just take one of these plates.
Wait, that's it?
Yep, that's it. That's how simple this is. And
We have
we're
all
just
these
gonna
other
put a
fun
little bit-
things over there, like the cheese and
And then we're going to,
salsa.
so that's what we could do. We could top it however you like.
Oh,
A little
okay.
Little cheese, a little more tomato, just like that.
Yum.
Little green onions.
Some chives.
Yeah, you could add anything you wanted to this. A little guacamole. But it's really easy.
So if you go to a party on Sunday, you can make a big bowl of this and people just can serve themselves onto a plate.
Right, and you can go, like on this one, I actually put a little flank steak that I got
I was going to
sliced.
say, oh, so here you go. This is the
That's
main.
the finished product
This is
right
the finished
there.
product right here. I was like, that looks so fancy.
Are you ready to
That's
try
so
it?
pretty. I am. All right, I'm going in.
Go on ahead. Here, I'm going to help you out with this.
I'm going to take the biggest one.
I'm going to make you one. Here, how about that?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Is there a certain
There you
fabulous
go.
way to get
Just,
it?
it's
I
gonna
love
be
that I'm
messy.
about to eat this pork rind with this beans.
It's pretty good, right?
Oh, really good. Ooh, Ooh, it's
It goes
spicy.
good with the pork rinds
I
for
love
sure.
garlic and spice, and that is garlic and spice. Onion garlic. That's delicious.
They also have some that are not so spicy. If spicy's not your thing, they got other
Oh,
flavors.
so God, the spice I'm tasting is the actual pork rind.
That sea
these
salt,
all-
yeah, that's a really good one too. You know, if you go to porkrind.com.
I am. I'm eating the spicy one right here.
Right. If you go to
Okay.
porkrinds.com, you can enter into that Gridiron Greats gaming, and every time you do that, a small percentage goes to the Gridiron Great Fund.
That's amazing. So it's going to Mike Ditka's charity as well.
Right, and then that in turn, like I said, goes to help out athletes and former NFL players who are struggling.
That is the easiest go-to recipe for the big
Right.
game. And it's cheap.
It's a lot cheaper to
Literally.
do this than to buy it at, say, one of the supermarkets.
Okay, delicious. I'm going to bring it over. I'm invited to a big party on Sunday, and everyone's getting this on Pork Rind Appreciation Day.
Well, thanks for having me.
Yes, Chef William Turner, everybody.
Thank you.